Meaning of deselection.
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 Deselection. Deselection is the act of unselecting or removing a previously selected item, option, or choice. This action typically results in the deselect item being excluded from further consideration or processing. In computer software and interface design, deselecting an option can prevent it from being executed or can return a system to a neutral state. Deselection can also occur in other contexts, such as during decision-making processes where options are eliminated, or in social situations where a person is rejected or excluded from a group or activity.